Hi guys, for the introduction for the practical one buoyancy concept experiment, let us take a look to the Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle states that the upthrust or buoyant force on an object in a fluid is equal to the weight of the displaced fluid. Displaced means push out of the way, so the distance when you drop the stone or any else into a container of water, you displace the water and it raises in the container. A force can be thought of a push or pull. The fluid doesn't have to be the water, it can be any liquid such as the gas or air. The objective of the experiment is to investigate the density of the different material using Archimedes buoyancy principle. For the second one is to determine the density of the unknown material using Archimedes principle. Now, let's go to the procedure of the experiment.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Elisa Anis and I will conduct the experiment for practical 1. The equipment we use is weighing equipment, a bowl of water, aluminium foil, and the loads, which is we use the rocks for the loads. For the procedure, first thing first, we weight the loads and then we put the aluminium foil in a bowl of water. Then we place the loads that we weighed just now in the bowl of water. And the result was taken based on the aluminium foil buoyancy. Then we repeat the process until the aluminium foil was fully submerged.
Now I'll be explaining for our results and discussion. For results, the mass of aluminium foil mini boat is 0.1 grams, while the first rock added is 10 grams and the second rock added is 20 grams. The rock added when our mini boat sank is 30 grams, which is when the third rock is added, our mini boat sank. For discussion, there are some errors found from the experiment carried out. First of all, the size of the mini boat was so small, and this has led to lower accuracy of the result obtained. And secondly, there are holes at the corners of the mini boat, and this has allowed water to enter the mini experiment, which has caused inaccuracy of the experiment. We have some suggestions to avoid the errors and increase the accuracy of the result obtained. First is using a bigger size mini boat to carry out the experiment. And secondly is use self-adhesive tape at the corners of the mini boat to prevent formation of holes at the corners.
My name is Nur Elisa Ali. The metric number is CN210410. I would like to share the summary of buoyancy concept. Buoyancy, known as a buoyant force, which is the force exerted on an object that's fully or partly immersed in a fluid. Symbol magnitude of buoyancy is B or FB, and SI unit is Newton. Buoyancy acts upward for situations and caused by differences pressure acts of an object immersed in static fluid. The buoyant force is contained the Archimedes principle for magnitude, which an object is equal to the weight of the fluid displaces. The factor affect buoyancy are the density or volume of fluid displaced and local acceleration due to gravity. However, the buoyant force not affect the mass of immersed object and density of immersed object.